We almost had it. What I love is that Thomas, y'all. All of us got some Thomas in us. I'm definitely a show me person.
Me too.
Yeah, you got to show me. Dorothy told me when I married her, I'm from Missouri. I'm from the show me state. Show me state. You can't just keep telling me stuff. You gotta show me. You gotta show me. But I'm a show me person too. And so I don't look down on Thomas. I'm saying, God, show me something.
You see it?
But what I find amazing is that we always call Thomas doubting Thomas.
Yeah. You're right.
There's only one scripture in the Bible where he doubted. Isn't it amazing that you can go out and do a bunch of good stuff and folks don't label you for that? But for that one thing you did wrong, they'll marry you to your mess. They'll marry you to your mistake. Who you are is not who was revealed to you at a low place.
Oh, preach.
Who you are is not the you that was the furthest you away from God. The real you is the you that keeps being revealed. The more and more and more and more you walk on this Christian journey.